What if you could see every single keyword making your competitors rich, and then literally steal their customers? For the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I took a business from 100 visitors to over 5,000 visitors a month, just by targeting their competition. And the craziest part? You can do this too, even if you know nothing about SEO. Your competitors are making sales non-stop from people searching for the products you sell. And you're stuck on page 10, completely invisible. It's frustrating, but I promise you, we are going to fix it. That feeling of being invisible online? It ends today. This isn't a guessing game. This is a strategic, repeatable system, an SEO heist, and it will put your products in front of thousands of customers who are ready to buy. Section 1. The foundation: understanding the SEO heist. First, what even is SEO? It's simple. It's how you get your website to the first page of Google without paying for ads. For your business, it is the single most powerful tool for growth. It's the difference between being ignored and having a direct line to someone who is literally searching for your exact product. And the secret to this whole heist is insane. Your competitors have already done all the hard work for you. They've spent years and millions of dollars figuring out which keywords their customers use to buy. We're not going to guess. We're going to take their data and use it against them. The entire map to this treasure is made of keywords. But listen, not all keywords are the same. Your competitor might rank for a word like desk. That's a short-tail keyword. It gets a billion searches, but the person searching could be bored, doing homework, anything. It's useless. We are going after something way more valuable: long-tail keywords. These are longer phrases like ergonomic desk for home office, or best standing desk for back pain. These searches have way less competition, and more importantly, the person searching has their credit card out. They have a problem, they want a specific solution, and they are ready to buy. Finding these is the first step to diverting a massive stream of customers from their site directly to yours. Section 2. The reconnaissance phase: finding your competitors' goldmine keywords. Alright, it's time to spy on the competition. This is the recon phase. First, you need to know who you're up against. Open an incognito window on Google and search for the number one thing you sell. Let's pretend we sell high-end, ergonomic office chairs. I'd search ergonomic office chair. The top 3 to 5 websites that show up, not the ads, are your biggest competitors. These are the sites Google already loves. Now, this is where it gets crazy. We need a tool to look inside their websites. Ahrefs and SEMrush are the best in the world for this. Yes, they cost money, but they have free trials, and I'm telling you, using them is like having a superpower. Let's say we're using Ahrefs. You take your top competitor's website, paste it into their Site Explorer, and boom. Their entire playbook is right in front of you. We are looking for a report called Organic Keywords. Click it. This is the gold mine. You are now looking at a list of every single keyword your competitor ranks for, how many people search for it every month, and how hard it is to beat them. Don't get overwhelmed. Here's the cheat code. First, find the long-tail keywords, phrases with 3, 4, or 5 words. Next, look for keywords that scream, "I'm about to buy something." These have words like best, review, for sale, alternative, or versus. For our chair company, a keyword like Herman Miller Aeron Alternative is pure gold. Someone searching that is actively looking for a cheaper option. They want your chair. Filter this list for keywords with a keyword difficulty score under 30. This tells you it's an easy target. Targeting these gives you a real shot at ranking fast. Do this for your top 3 competitors and build a master hit list of 10-20 amazing keywords. This is the blueprint. This is the language your future customers are using right now. Now, let's go use it. Section 3. The heist: optimizing your pages to steal the traffic. Okay, we have the keywords. Now we execute the heist. This is called on-page SEO, and it's how you scream at Google, "Hey, my page is the best result for this search." It's all about strategic placement, and it's so easy. Let's take our keyword, best ergonomic chair for back pain, and optimize a page. First, your page title. This is the big blue link in Google, and it's the most important place to put your keyword. Use this formula. Main keyword, big benefit, your brand. So, best ergonomic chair for back pain, all-day comfort, your brand shares. Keep it under 60 characters so it doesn't get cut off. Done. Next, the meta description. This is your 150-character ad to get the click. Google says it's not a direct ranking factor, but it determines if they click your link or your competitors. You have to include your keyword and a reason to click, like experience relief with our award-winning ergonomic chair for back support. Free shipping included. Boom. Now, on the page itself, your main heading, the H1 tag. This should be almost identical to your page title and feature your main keyword. The ultimate ergonomic chair for alleviating back pain. Then use subheadings, H2s, to break up the page and add variations like, features of our back support chair. Your product description is next. So many people mess this up. Don't just list specs. Weave your keywords into copy that sells the benefit. Instead of adjustable lumbar support, write, find your perfect setting and work for hours in total comfort, free from nagging back pain. See the difference? Don't forget your images. Google is blind, so tell it what it's looking at. Name your files, ergonomic chair for back pain sideview.jpg, instead of img_1234.jpg. And always fill out the alt text with a simple, keyword-rich description. It's free SEO. Finally, your URL. Keep it short and clean. Your brand.com/products/ergonomic chair back pain is perfect. Your brand.com/products/item 789, variant equals 456 is garbage. By putting your keyword in these spots, you're giving Google an unmissable signal that your page is the authority. CTA. Before we jump to the final step that makes this all permanent, if you're getting value out of this, do me a favor and just destroy that like button. It tells YouTube you're loving the video and helps more people find it. Thanks. Okay, back to the heist. Section 4. Securing your treasure content and AMP, authority. You've cased the joint and executed the heist. Now it's time to secure the bag and make our getaway. Ranking on Google isn't a one-time thing. You have to build authority and prove you're the king. The fastest way to do this is with content that supports your products. Start a blog. Use the keywords you already found to write articles that actually help people. For our chair company, you could write 5 desk exercises to reduce back pain, or how to properly set up an ergonomic workspace. In these articles, you drop a link back to your product page. You're literally creating a web that funnels interested readers directly to your products. The other piece of this is backlinks. A backlink is just a link from another website to yours. Google sees these as votes of confidence. The more high-quality votes you get, the more Google trusts you, and the higher you'll rank. A simple way to start is by writing a guest post for a blogger in your space. This is a long-term strategy, but it's what separates the top 1% from everyone else. Finally, and this is huge, none of this matters if your website is slow or broken on a phone. Make sure your site loads fast. These are basic technical things that Google takes very seriously. If your site is slow, Google will crush you. So, let's recap the entire heist in 15 seconds. Step 1. Recon. We spied on our competitors and found their most profitable, long-tail keywords. Step 2. The heist. We strategically optimized our product pages by putting those keywords in our title, meta description, headings, content, and images. Step 3. Securing the treasure. We started building authority with helpful blog articles and a plan to get backlinks. That's the system. This is how you go from being totally invisible to showing up the exact moment your ideal customer is looking to buy. This is how you stop being frustrated and start ethically siphoning your competitors' customers directly to your pages. The traffic is out there. The customers are searching. We just gave them a giant, glowing path to find you. If you want to go even deeper, check out my video on building a content strategy from scratch right here. And of course, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next guide. Now, go get those customers.